This one got smacked good in the back right here. Gonna get a new taillight pocket as well as the rear body panel.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
I have a Honda Civic here. This one got smacked good in the back right here. It's getting a new trunk lid, and then I have some structural work I gotta do. It's gonna get a new taillight pocket as well as the rear body panel. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this damage out. And when I pull that out, it'll relax the stress and the damage on this quarter panel some. Then once I get all that pulled out, I will go ahead and start cutting the back of this one all apart. So I am going to have to put this one on hold at this point. I have everything roughly fitting up, but I don't have a trunk lid yet. They sent us the wrong one. So hopefully the new one's gonna show up tomorrow and I'll get back on this one. But it's gonna be on hold till I get that trunk lid because I gotta make sure everything fits properly.